Ecuador is a multicultural country that has an abundant and varied cuisine. It's a fusion of various foods from different provinces and regions. The encebollado is a popular dish that is prepared and consumed in the 24 provinces of the country and is one of the favorites by tourists. Hi everybody, my name is Fátima and today I will tell you a little about the origin of one of the emblematic dishes of the country, the encebollado. The name is hard to translate, and literally it could be translated as onion fish soup. Well, don't forget to subscribe, like the video and say hi in the comments. Let's start. There are several versions about the origin of encebollado. One of them indicates that the origin of this delicious dish dates back to 3500 BC. It is said that the aborigines of the Valdivia culture, as master fishermen, caught and cooked fish over a good fire in ceramic pots filled with their own broth. After the conquest in colonial times, their descendants mixed fish and cassava with other ingredients brought by the Spanish. Later, this dish was called spicy fish, made with salted fish. The current recipe was born in the 1950s and became popular in the 1980s as an inexpensive dish. This dish is prepared based on fish, but is also combined with different shellfish such as shrimp or octopus and with different spices. The best known accompaniments for this dish are bread, fried green plantain and rice. Among Ecuadorians, it is known as raised dead, as it is the perfect medicine for the day after a night of drinks. This dish has stood the test of time admirably, from the indigenous tribes to the Incas, the Spanish and modern times. The dish continues being eaten all over the country. I can say that encebollado is one of my favorite dishes. Tell me in the comments, have you already tried this dish? And since we are talking about food, did you know that Ecuador has a traditional sweet called duckpo? If you want to know more, click here and discover this curious sweet. If you found information and entertainment in these and other videos, please consider supporting me. You can help me by subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Also, you can help me by inviting me a coffee. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!